Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anik, and in today's video I'll show you how to create a Facebook engagement campaign that drives people to Messenger. This is one of the best ways to start conversion, build trust, and turn visitors into customers, especially for service based or high ticket products. Let's get started. So I'm going to my ads manager account. Here is my ads manager and uh, click the create button. So here choose a campaign objective. So my campaign objective is engagement, so I'm clicking here. Then continue button. Here manual engagement campaign, I'm clicking continue. Then here campaign name selected, so I am already written my name, so just copy and paste. So I'm putting my name is here. Okay. Acha, me the cleaning campaign. So here is buying type auction, and my objective is engagement. Okay. So here is advantage plus campaign budget. If you are running a multiple ad set, you can enable campaign budget optimization CVO. Set a daily budget that fits your goal, like $10 per $30 per day. But I'm not going to this AI based budget options. I'm going to next click. Okay. So you can, I'm here in ad set level, so you can set your ad set level name. I'm same name use, copy and paste. Okay, so conversion location. So I am selecting the message destination. I need to message in my messenger or Instagram or my WhatsApp number, so I'm selecting message destination. Get people to engage with you based on messenger, WhatsApp or Instagram. Okay, I'm selecting this. So now I'm selecting my page name is Meda Cleaning Service. So message destination, I need to my message in messenger only, so I'm unselected Instagram or WhatsApp. If you need Instagram or WhatsApp, you can select this your campaign. So here is my put my number. So let's scroll down. Performance goal, here is maximize number of conversion. Okay, so bit company is another option, it's not need this time. So I'm selecting my daily budget is where's my daily budget, $20. Okay, already fixed is $20. So I'm running this campaign 7 days, so I'm selecting start date for today. I'm selecting end date, it's like 6 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 30 days. Okay, here is my time. Okay, so I'm scroll down. I don't scheduling my budget, I'm scrolling down. I'm selecting my location, not Bangladesh. Okay, my client location is United Kingdom, Bolton, United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom, or here is Kingdom. I'm this like the Bangladesh, so I'm specific now. My city is Bolton. So here is Bolton United Kingdom. Okay, I'm here. 25. I'm clicking more. I'm really short millimeter, like is going to. Okay, it's fine. It's 40 mile is perfect for location. Hmm. Now I'm going to click. I don't want to go advantage plus audience because my campaign is totally new, so I don't go to AI based. So I'm going to my switch to audio original voice content. So I'm clicking use original audience. So here, so this is my cleaning service. So it's need to be my age selected is uh, 24 to like 60 is perfect for me, and I selected all gender. So anyone need this who need. Okay, so I'm now selecting the advantage plus detailing targeting. So I'm here the my interest rates targeting. So for so my business is cleaning services. So first of all I'm writing here cleaning type keyword, then I see here is any showing cleaning target interest or not. Here I'm cleaning that. Okay, cleaning home and gardening, I got my keyword is fine. Then I'm already put in here. So housekeeping is a good keyword. Or here I'm selecting more. मुझे vacuum cleaner, mop cleaning, then housekeeping is good keyword. I'm finding more keyword like commercial. Yeah, I'm got my keyword commercial cleaning is good keyword. Then I'm more searching small business owner, so good keyword. So it's a behavior small business owner is fine. Then facility management is a good keyword. Interest, yeah, it's good. Cleaning agent, it's look like it's not like my keyword type. Oh, it's fine my keyword. So I'm going scroll down. Here I'm clicking manual placement because my campaign is totally new and I don't want to go advantage plus placement or advantage AY base any placement. So I don't need to share. So I'm manually placement Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and answer is fine for me. So I need to just test my audience in manually. Then when I get data, then I put I'm going to the advantage plus campaign. So I'm estimated daily result 2.4k, 7.0k. So its to conversion is 0 to 6. Okay, I'm going to now next. I'm selected now again engagement name. So here is my ad name. My ad name is again same, so I don't need this. So here I'm selecting my page is automatically set, and my Instagram is here, Meda Cleaning Service. So at setup now I'm going to create it. I'm not going to create it. I have already posted my Facebook page, so I'm going to my use existing post here. You can click multi advertise ads. I don't go this because my account is already told you is new, so I don't go this. So I'm totally at creative here. Select my campaigns. Yes, click my post here. You can see. So I'm going to my this post here. Click continue. Okay. Here is automatically get my by my text because I put my text in my post. So here is automatically here. So I'm call to action I set here need to call to action set is automatically send message and no button. So I'm going to send message. So here is more advantage plus creative engagement. So here is turn on or off. I don't go this. Simply my message template is already selected. This auto generated question and answer. I don't need more complicated for my customer. It's simple, it's good for okay. Okay, you are don't need tracking don't need because I don't have a website now. So to finally my campaign is totally fully ready. What is the problem? You can see my ad here, how looks like my campaign. So it's so here's my campaign. It's not good. It's good. So after work you can send publish, and my campaign is fully published in Facebook. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video.